Oatey is in our 102nd year of business and operates a comprehensive manufacturing and distribution network supplying over 6,000 products to the residential and commercial plumbing industry. Manufacturing today is an exciting field due to the growth of technology that we've seen. Oatey is a great example of a company who's making investments in people, investments in technology, and continuing to keep manufacturing strong in the United States. Our commitment to training at Oatey is critical. We chose Tri-C because the curriculum is very manufacturing oriented. The instructors are from our industry, and we're both very community focused. We've partnered with Tri-C on two critical growth opportunities for our associates. One is a maintenance apprentice program, and second is the mobile classroom program. Our relationship with Tri-C has been very successful. It's really allowed for our associates and our organization to grow together. As Oatey embarks on our next 100 years, training of our associates is fundamental to our continued success.